Good morning, scholars. Today I'm going to begin a video series that you're going to see over the next 7 days, in which I'm going to continue our concept unit 2, rational numbers, but instead of me teaching it to you every day, you're going to watch a video of me teaching it, then you'll practice, and then you'll take a short quiz at the end of class. So today we're going to start with adding rational numbers. It's been a while since we talked about what a rational number is, so let's just review. Remember, the root word of rational was ratio. And so we're adding A divided by B as long as B does not equal 0, and you have a rational number. Now, up until this point, we've only been adding and subtracting integers. Later this week, we're going to go into adding and subtracting rational numbers, multiplying and dividing integers, and multiplying and dividing rational numbers. So for today, I'm going to teach you a rule that will allow you to add integers without using a number line. So the first rule is SSS. And what does that stand for? It means if you are adding integers and they have the same sign, you are just going to find the sum. And we know the word sum means add. So for example, if I have 7 plus 6, I am just going to add 7 plus 6 and keep the sign the same. So 7 plus 6, they're both positive. My answer is 13. That's it. Well, we know that one. Let's try another one. Let's say if I have negative 8 plus negative 11. Both numbers are a negative, so my answer is going to be negative. And now I just add. What is 8 plus 11? Negative 19. Now you do the next 3. See if you get the following answers. Pause this video to check your work. Did you get negative 9 when you added negative 3 plus negative 6? Negative 19 when you added negative 5 plus negative 14? And positive 15 when you added 3 plus 12. Make sure you got those right. Now, this is same sign sum, meaning if they have the same sign, find the sum. What if they don't have the same sign? Now let's look at examples in which the signs will not be the same, but the signs will be different. If you are adding integers and the two integers have different signs, then we are going to do DSD. And with DSD, that means different signs, difference. Different signs, difference. So if they have different signs, you are going to find the difference. So if I have negative 2 plus 10, well, what's the difference of negative 2 plus 10? Well, that'll give me 8. So now the question is how do I know if my answer is positive or negative? You look at the integer with the greater absolute value. So what is the absolute value of negative 2? 2. What is the absolute value of 10? 10. Who has the greater absolute value? 10. So my answer is going to be a positive. Let's do another example. We have 8 plus negative 17. Again, different signs, difference. What is the difference between negative 17 and 8? I subtract and I get 9. And now I'm asking myself, who has the greater absolute value? Is it the positive 8 or the negative 17? Well, we know the absolute value of 8 is 8, and the absolute value of negative 17 is 17. So the greater absolute value is the negative value, therefore our answer is negative 9. Try it with 3 more examples. Pause this video. Check your answers. Now, did you get 2 when you added 9 plus negative 7? Did you get negative 8 when you added negative 11 plus 3? Did you get negative 6 when you added negative 15 plus 9? So, to recap, when adding integers, you can either find SSS or DSD. Now, these rules will apply to both adding integers, adding decimals, and adding fractions. Now watch the rest of the videos in this series to practice adding.